Hello class, my name is Marlene Trujillo. I live in Palmdale, California. That'll be Southern California. And I'm super excited to making this video so you can get to know me and also from going back to the discussion board and getting to know all of you. I'm currently a web design and development major with emphasis in design. And I'm in my second to last semester at BYUI. So it's been a long road, but a very rewarding one as well. I currently have no experience with Java programming, and I'm looking forward to learning about it since I've heard that it's very important in the development world at this point. My experience on programming comes only to the classes that I have taken at BYUI. And I don't have a whole or a strong knowledge about it, but I am very dedicated and willing to learn. One thing that I love about BYUI is that we always can learn, feeling an environment of spirituality and respect for everyone. I always feel so comfortable asking questions because I'm not being judged of what I know or what I don't know. I'm just being helped by my peers and my instructor. And that's one of the things that I love being part of this great organization. I am looking forward to everything that we will learn this semester, and I hope that at some point I can help you as well to contribute and to return the great help that you guys are going to give me as usually. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.